Let's learn about vehicles. Come sing along. Big and small, they all belong. They help us every single day. Let's see how they work and play. Fire truck, bright and red, rushes fast, sirens ahead. Sprays the water, puts out the flame, saving lives, that's its game. Garbage truck, early in the morn, picks up trash from where it's torn. Rumbles loud, then drives away, keeping streets clean every day. Police car lights that shine, keeps the road safe all the time. Zooms ahead with a whoo-woo sound, helping people all around. Ambulance, white and kind, helps the sick or hurt in time. Flashing lights and siren too, bringing help right to you. Bus, big yellow ride, takes kids to school inside. Doors go open, seats in rows, off we go. Beep, beep, let's go! Train so long and strong, choo-choo sounds all day long. Carries people, cars and grain, through the sunshine, through the rain. Airplane high in the sky, wings so wide it loves to fly. Zooming fast above the land, touching clouds with helping hands. Helicopter spins around, flying high above the ground. Search and rescue up so high, hovering gently in the sky. Tractor working in the field, strong and tough with power to yield. Pulls and plows the heavy ground, helping crops grow all around. Dump truck carrying stone, drops it off and heads back home. Tills its bed, the load goes down, building roads around the town. Tow truck towing slow, helps the broken cars to go. Pulls them safely to repair, helping drivers everywhere. Ice cream truck, what a treat, plays a song and brings the sweet. Children laugh, they come and cheer, summer fun is finally here. So many vehicles all around, working hard in every town, helping people far and near. Let's clap for them and cheer.